Hey everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Honor 400 Pro camera test after 1 month, and I am already making this smartphone long time full review. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. Check it out. Honor 400 Pro come with a triple camera setup, 200 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel telephoto lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel selfie camera. Alright, first of all talk about the video quality. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 4K 60fps video, and you also record 1080p 30 and 60fps video, and also 120fps slow-mo video with EIS and OIS, and this is 4K 60fps video quality. Let me know in the comment what you think about the video quality. Now let's talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a good pictures. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness are very good. 200 megapixel help you take a great pictures with a lot of details. So let me know in the comment what you think about this smartphone 200 megapixel main camera picture quality, and this is 12 megapixel ultra wide picture quality. Yeah, the picture quality are not as good as like a main camera, but the picture quality are very decent. Overall ultra wide photography are very decent. Now let's talk about the portrait pictures. Portrait mode you can take 1x, 2x, 3x and 6x. This smartphone take a great portrait in a good lighting condition. Color are close to accurate and also come with a lot of details. Now let's talk about the night photography. Night photography experience are great. The 200 megapixel main sensor help you take a great pictures at night, and if you have a good lighting condition you can take these types of pictures. All the image color are so accurate and close to natural, and all the image you also get a lot of details. So let me know in the comment what you think about Honor 400 Pro camera quality. That's all about our video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I'll be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.